I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, the exact transaction ID, payer and payee accounts, and authorization. Once logged into the Npci interface or your bank PSB console, navigate to the Transaction Entry module. Make sure you choose the correct channel, UPI, IMPS, or NEFT, because that changes required fields. Begin entering the ID in the designated reference field, double-check characters and case. If you have a bulk file, prepare the CSV now and map columns to Npci fields before uploading. You now progress into the complex middle steps, validate and format. If importing a CSV, map TXN ID, timestamp, and amount exactly to Npci field names. Incorrect mapping causes rejection. Use the validation preview to spot mismatches, such as wrong date formats or extra spaces. Once fields validate, confirm amounts and parties, reconcile with your ledger. If entering manually, paste the transaction ID. Then populate ancillary fields. Use autocomplete suggestions to speed and avoid typos. You finish by submitting and verifying completion. After pressing Submit, wait for confirmation and save the reference or export the submission log. This ensures traceability. Then reconcile the recorded entry with your bank statement or PSB response to confirm settlement. If the system rejects the transaction ID, first recheck formatting, extra characters, or incorrect service type. Correct and resubmit. If issues persist, escalate with the Npci support desk, providing your saved submission log and timestamps for faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.